Hello friends, happy Saturday. Justin and I are gonna see the Waitress. It's a play. We've been planning it for a while now. I got my dress from Dubai. I love it. Like you can tie it in the back and it like fits to your shape. And I like how long it is. This is my kind of dress. Like you can kind of wear it casual if you want or dress it up, but I'm dressing it up for a play. Yeah. And that's my handsome. I like your outfit. I like the blue shoes.
April helped me curate it.
Yeah, he's wearing some Jordans with like blues on them. Do you see it? And yeah, I like it. Good job, honey. We're gonna go have lunch and then see the play. Sharon told me yesterday when we were at the Twins Giants game, she was like, it's about a mother-daughter relationship, perfect for Mother's Day. And I was like, oh no. And I started crying like at the stadium, like tears. Because I was like, I miss my mom already. And she's like, oh no, that might not be the best idea. I was like, no, it's okay to be sad. It's okay. So I brought tissue. Like I brought 10 tissue from the tissue boxes, just stuffed it in my purse, and I'll be okay.
Dropped off the kids. I'm here with my date.
Yes.
This is really good, the veggie empanada. This place is called Cahill Bistro. This is a shrimp saltado. It's really good. And they even gave us a hot sauce, like similar to ají. Wow, this is really good. He got a coffee flight. This is so funny to me.
We just get a palate cleanser here.
What is it? Is it just like water? Or sparkling?
Seltzer. Yeah, it's like, no, it's like sparkling water.
Hello friends, lunch was yummy. It was at Cahill Bistro. The saltado is really good. It's different, but it's good. Instead of fries, they had yuca fries, and they even had like a side salad. Sorry, the lighting's not the best. And then we went to this place called Edina Roasters. It was close by. I got a chai. Y'all saw what Justin got. He got himself a whole sampler. It was so cute. And then we stopped by Walgreens to get Jacob some allergy meds because his allergies have been acting up. I noticed he was blowing his nose a lot at the Giants game, and I noticed it's only been like lately, and I'm like, what's the difference? Like, he doesn't have a cold. Like, I can tell. It's allergies. We got seats right in the middle. Good job, honey. This is noise. It was a beautiful play, right, honey?
It was so good.
I did not know anything about The Waitress. I just knew the songs because of the She Used to Be Mine song by Sarah Bareilles. And now I understand it. She was pregnant. Oh, sorry, I'm ruining it for y'all.
No spoilers.
I mean, no, it's a play. It's over. You can watch the movie. You can read the book. Wasn't it on Broadway with Jason Mraz and Sarah Bareilles? It was amazing. Like the lady who sang, who is the main person, the main character, she sang it so beautifully and in her own way. Like she didn't sing it exactly like Sarah Bareilles would sing it, but she was hitting them notes. It was just funny. It made you cry. Like, it was beautiful. It was a great Mother's Day, like, weekend because it was about motherhood and how she changed the moment she became a mom. It was just so beautiful. Like, I loved it. Reunited with our babies and we went to Bumai. Are you surprised? This is our favorite restaurant in Minnesota, right, honey? It's an Asia mall. Shrimp and mayo. The moment I saw mayo, I said no thank you.
Save some for others, honey.
There's just me, I'm other. I got how many personalities. Asia Mall, getting, you know, the necessities. This is so good. And mangoes. Justin asked for me to make him tupig, so we're looking for the ingredients for some tupig.
We're back home and I wanted to share an Asia Mall haul because we didn't get much. We just wanted some mangoes, so we got that. And then we wanted, well, I got a bunch of these and I'm giving 2 to Jessica because I let her, like I gave her one to try before. I was like, oh, you gotta try it, it's really good, and she actually liked it. And so I'm gonna give her 2 instead of 1 this time. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 of my own, so I bought 9. Oh, my hair got stuck. And then, oh my gosh, girl, they sell Dubai chocolates there. Like, this is my first time ever buying a Dubai chocolate ever. I have always made mine, so I'm really excited. This was $14.99 though. But girl, if you go on like TikTok shop or whatever shop. They're like $30. So I hope that these are good because I'm not trying to spend no $30 on Dubai chocolates. These are only $14.99. And then Jacob wanted these banana covered biscuit sticks. And Liam didn't want anything. He was all like, I just want the mangoes. And so that's my little haul. Today was such a good day. I love my date with Justin. Thank you to Sharon, Steve, and Jessica for being with the boys and the cute little kitties. I'm so happy we get to go back tomorrow because tomorrow's Mother's Day. We're going to do some gardening for Sharon. I ain't doing no gardening. I watch the baby. So I get to spend time with the baby. So yeah, that's my highlight of the day. Just watching Waitress, seeing the play with Justin. It was so beautiful. And also looking at the art exhibit too. That was really fun. So I'm back. I just wanted to review this. The one that I got at the Asia Mall. It's good, honey.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Should I come try it?
It tastes exactly like the way I make it. It's just not dark chocolate.
I'll be the judge of that.
I liked it a lot.
It already looks too melty because it's milk chocolate.
It's real good. Yeah?
Yours is like 10 times better.
You only like mine because it's dark chocolate. I like this
It's okay.
because I didn't make it.
Yeah. I know, right?
I didn't have
It's
to
okay.
make it. Wow, thank you, babies. This looks so yummy. You guys did the eggs yourself? Wow, you did that? Wow, even the apples? These look good. Who cut these apples?
Jakey
Wow.
did. Look at that.
I like it. Look at the ridges.
Yum.
Mmm.
Happy Mother's Day, honey.
Thank you. To Mama from Liam. Dear Mama, I love everything about you. Your cleaning, cooking, fashion too? Oh, how you know my shirt is backwards and your kindness. I know whenever it's backwards, Papa. I want to wish you a happy Mother's Day. I love you. Oh, thank you, Peppy. Oh, my sweet angel baby. That's a beautiful part. Ooh, what is that? Scented candle for you. Ooh.
It's a candle.
Ooh.
I made you a jasmine scented candle.
You made.
We made them.
Y'all made it.
Yeah.
Wow. You made it?
Isn't that cool? Jakey, go.
That is so cool. I was wondering what you guys were doing over there in the basement. Needing bowls.
That one's called Wild Mix.
Ooh, you guys are epic candle makers.
That one's just the same.
Wild mix. Okay, thank you.
This one's another jasmine.
Ooh, we love jasmine. Can I see yours, Pappy? Oh, first I like to read my card. Happy Mother's Day, love, Jacob. Dear Mommy, happy Mother's Day. Thank you for being kind to me and being... What's that? Oh, nice to me. And I hope you like my candles, Liam's candles. Love, Jacob. That's Saba, Sophia, Jacob, Bobby, Mommy. We're going to Auntie Jessica's house and we're going to garden. I love it. Look, honey. That's so special.
What do you want to do after we garden, Mama?
Can I have a...
What do you want to do after we garden? You want to go out to eat?
I just want to stay home and relax. I like staying home. Ooh, lemon orange. This is really cool, you guys. This is... Oh, on my food.
I've never actually
that
smelled
smells yummy.
Oh, that actually smells really good.
Lavender is very beautiful. Wow, you guys really did it.
It's just another lavender.
Oh, sorry.
And then another lemon orange.
Oh, wow. I have a lot. Thank you so much. That's so nice of you. Yeah, thank you, boys. I'm going to eat now, okay? So I was looking through this and I have to share. It's so cute. Jacob made this at school. It's a box. I need to read it because it's so special.
My mom is 40 years old. Her favorite flower is jasmine. My mom says, I love you so much. Her favorite color is yellow. My best memory is my mom and me cooking cookies. She is so good at being nice and being kind. Thank you, buddy. My mom makes the best pancakes and cookies. Thank you, buddy. But this is my favorite part. My favorite thing about you is you like eating food. That's true. That's so funny. Thank you for watching over me for my whole life. Ooh, I get a shoulder massage. Okay, go ahead now. Give me my shoulder massage. A snuggle token. Oh, a kiss token. A hug token. You love me. You are special to me because you love me and you are nice to me. Yes, Pappy. Oh, a love token. Thank you, Pappy. Oh, I get to pick, like clean your room, huh? You are amazing because you can cook every day for me and Liam and Dad. Oh, thank you. Can I see yours?
All this stuff.
Wow, thank you. Happy Mother's Day. I hope you are having a great one. I love you. Yes, I am, buddy. Thank you. Oh, I love these ones. These are nice. The flowers. Thank you. Oh, this one was the art earlier.
Yeah, and I want you to look at this one.
Yeah, can you show me?
Oh,
I don't. Okay.
And then on the back,
What does it mean?
Super Mom.
Oh, Super Mom! Thank you. Do I fly this? What do I do with it? Oh, okay.
Actually, it doesn't.
Let me let y'all know.
It doesn't work very well.
I love it. Thank you. Oh, is this also? Is this your face?
No, that's not my face.
This is Sassy Baka.
You know, I kind of take that as an insult.
I hear, smell, see, and taste everything you do for us. Thank you. Is this supposed to be you?
No.
Thank you for everything you do for us. Thank you. Happy Mother. I love it. Thank you, boys. Thank you. I think it's perfect.
You got one more thing?
This thing?
Yeah, you want to show me?
Oh, whoa.
He
Happy
does.
Mother's Day to
Go
the
show her
best
how you
mom
use
ever.
it. It's a sign.
From Jacob.
Yeah. He's protesting how much he loves you.
Happy Mother's Day to the Happy Mother's Day. Are you going to be outside with the squirrels?
Yeah.
Happy Mother's Day. Oh, thank you, Peppy.
Squirrels need to give you a present.
No, the squirrels just need to eat. Oh, one day, because I've seen that, like where squirrels like give food to the people that give them food. Hi friends, I'm editing the vlog, and girl, all I noticed is that my bra padding is so wrinkly. You know how like you have inserts in sports bras? It's so wrinkly. When the boys were giving me my Mother's Day gifts, I'm just so distracted by how wrinkly it is. Let me tell you, with the quickness, I ordered some new inserts because those things need to be removed and thrown in the trash. It was just, ooh, bothering me. Anyways, my Mother's Day with the boys was so awesome. And then I'll show you in the next vlog. We spent some time with Sharon and the family too, but just wanted to end the vlog here. Have a great day, friends. Bye. See you in the next one. Oh, and check out my Instagram. I posted so many new things, like a clean with me. I'm gonna post part 2 clean with me once I get that edited. I have a video dedicated to my boys, like in case I forget to tell you, I loved being your mom post. Justin posted a Mother's Day post for me, which was so sweet. So go check it out. Follow me on Edina 7 on IG. Bye.